Hi, this is Judd with PresenterMedia. In this video, I'm going to show you how to flip an image in PowerPoint so it faces the other direction. So let's get started. If you have an image on your computer you want to use, go up to Insert, Pictures, this device, then search on your computer where that image exists and it will load it into your PowerPoint. I'm going to use the PresenterMedia PowerPoint add-in to access their catalog of images and pull one of them in. So if you want to use the add-in, just go up to Insert, Get Add-ins, type in PresenterMedia into the search field, and then click the Add button, and it will add it to your home ribbon here on the far right side. And you'll see the PresenterMedia logo. Okay, let me load in an image here. So I'm going to go down to New Designs, and I'm going to load this medical woman running. And I'll just click the plus sign, and I'm going to close this window out now. And she's now added to my first slide. And that looks good. I like that. But I want her running towards the text instead of away from the text. So what can we do? With her selected, and you know that she'll be selected, or the image will be selected by the bounding box around the image, and you can see it right here. And then once I know the image is selected, I could go up to Picture Format and go to the far right. And in the Arrange options right here, I want to click on Rotate to get the drop-down menu. And there's the Flip Vertical, which we're not going to use in this tutorial, but you can use it if you need to. But we want to use the Flip Horizontal. And you can see now that the woman is running towards the text, and that looks good, how we want it. I'm going to copy and put it on this next slide. It says, yay, she is running towards the text. We did it. We flipped the image. Good work. Okay, so that's how you flip an image inside PowerPoint. But what if we want to rotate an image? Let's go to the next slide and view how to do that. So I'm going to load another image in from the PresenterMedia add-in. So I'm going to type in kite into the search box. Click search, and it's this first one right here. I'm going to click on that to open up the PresenterMedia customizer inside PowerPoint, and I'm going to close that menu over there. And then under quick edit, I'm going to type some new words in here. So I'm going to type in rotate this diamond kite. I'm just going to delete that text out, and I'm going to resize the text on the kite. That looks good. Go to the preview window. I think that looks good. Okay. Now I'm going to keep all these options at the bottom and click build and download. And now I can add it to my slide here. Okay, that's good. I'm going to close this window out, and now it's on my slide. And now I want to rotate this kite in a different direction. So with the kite selected, and I can tell it's selected by the bounding box around it, I want to go up to Format or Picture Format, go over to the Arrange options here, go to Rotate, and I can choose from these two presets, rotate right 90 degrees or left 90 degrees. But I want to use more options, so go more rotation options at the bottom. And this will open up the Format Picture options, and in the middle you'll see rotation, and I can type in a value in here, or I can click the little arrows here to start to rotate the kite. One other thing I can do is in the PowerPoint work area with the image selected, I'll get this little rotation icon right here at the top of the image. And if I click and drag on that, I can rotate it just by moving the mouse around. That's another way you can rotate an image inside PowerPoint. So that's all for the rotation and the flipping tool. It might be, they're kind of hard to find unless you know where they're at. So now you know where they're at, and you can easily flip an image or rotate an image inside PowerPoint. I'm going to show you one other thing. If you want to stay tuned here, if you want to start using the flip tool, you feel free to end right now, but I'm going to check out how to customize an item and then flip that item to make the text go the right way. And let's get started. I'm just going to duplicate this slide, delete this image out. I'm going to go back into the PowerPoint PresenterMedia add-in, and I'm going to go down to Interactive Real-Time 3D Media Builder. And this will open up all the graphics that I can use in the Interactive Real-Time Media Builder. So I'm going to start with this robot presenting to its left, and I want it to present to the right. So I'm going to change the text to, let's say, robot, say, flip it. All right. There we go. Okay, so once I have my custom design area how I want it, if I select all, hitting Control A, and then go up to the Align tool and flip horizontal, it'll flip everything backwards, and that's what I want. So when I go to Build and Download right here, and then Add to Slide, I'm going to close this window out. Actually, I can right-click on the window and go Minimize. Now I have that robot loaded in here, but you can see the text is still backwards. It doesn't look the best. So what I want to do is go back up with the robot image selected, go back up to Picture Format, and go to the Rotate option, and then flip horizontal. And now you can see that it is facing the other direction, and you can read the text just perfectly. So if you choose to customize items on PresenterMedia, just keep that in mind, that you can flip the text and images in the customizer work area and save that out, and then reflip the image inside PowerPoint to get the graphic to face the other direction. Okay, that's all I'm going to go over in this video. Thanks for watching. Be sure to subscribe to the PresenterMedia YouTube channel if you want to get updated videos as they come out. Well, thanks again, and we'll see you on the next tutorial. Bye-bye.